How to log in into Paramount Plus. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can log in or either sign in into Paramount Plus. So without any delay, let's start with the process. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to log in into Paramount Plus, you may just either open either of your devices, either your mobile phone or your laptop or your PC. After that, you just need a search bar. You just need to go to one of the browser and search for Paramount Plus in your search bar. After searching for it, you'll be able to see this interface. And on the very first option, you will be able to find the Paramount Plus official website address. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be redirected to the Paramount Plus page where you need to enter your email address here. You can easily find that entering email address option. Just enter your email address, tap and submit. After that, you need to verify yourself, and after the verification process is complete, you will be easily logged in into your ParamountPlus.com account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.